Question number 25. Mario compared the slope of the function graphed below to the slope of the linear function that has x-intercept. So we do have an x-intercept of 4 over 3 and then y-intercept of -2. Now what is it asking? It says what is the slope of the function with the smaller slope? So we do have two graphs. So we do have one slope right here, one graph, and then we do have another one with the x-intercept 4 over 3 and then y-intercept -2. Let me go ahead and then use the red marker for the graph that is drawn here. In order to find the slope, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at two specific points on this graph that I can use to find rise over run. So as you can see from the graph, I can use -2, 1, it is on the grid, and then also 1, another point would be, based on this graph, we can use 1, 2. Or we can use -5, 0. So these are points on the actual grid, so we can easily calculate the slope. As you can remember, slope is given by rise over run. And then in this case, what we need to do is count the rise from here to here. We got 1 unit rise, and then the run will be 1, 2, 3. So the slope for this line, the first line, M1, is gonna be 1 over 3. Now we just need to figure out the slope for the second line, and then I'm going to use the blue marker. In order to do this, let's use the x and y intercept. X-intercept is 4 over 3, comma 0, and then y-intercept is x has to be 0, comma -2, and the slope is given by the difference between the y's divided by the difference between the x's. So in this case, -2 minus 0 would be -2, and 0 minus 4 over 3 will be -4 over 3. And based on this one, we can see that the slope is going to be M2, which is -2, this one, divided by -4 over 3. You can apply a little division technique here, -2 over 1 divided by -4 over 3. And then we can change -4 over 3 into multiplication. We get -2 over 1 times 3, -3 over 4, which gives us 6 over 4, which is the same as 3 over 2. Now 3 over 2 can be translated into 1.5. So we know that the slope of the line with the x-intercept 4 over 3 and then y-intercept -2 is 1.5, and the slope of this graph or this linear equation is 0.33, repeating, and it is way smaller than the slope of the blue line. So in other words, the answer for this question would be 1 over 3, because that is a smaller slope. It's a B, and this completes the problem.